In this tutorial I will show you how to apply design on subject with Adobe Photoshop. Go to Quick Selection tool. Select the area. Alt press remove the extra area. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select the image. Click on Place. Down the opacity. Adjust the image. Opacity 100%. Now we will alt press this layer and mask it with the layer below. Change the blending option linear burn. Right-click and choose the blending option. Now we will move the underline layer by alt pressing it. Press OK. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.